Namaskar. So, greetings from Madanapalli, Chaudepalli, and from the Bharat Yogavidya Kendra. We are celebrating the 10th International Day of Yoga, and we are also part of it. Some good people have prevailed upon the United Nations to make it an international theme. So, all over the world, International Yoga Day will be celebrated. So, what is Bharat Yogavidya Kendra doing? We have made a theme called Yoga for Self and Society, which means Swayam और समाज के लिए योग. But I need to tell you that first Swayam, because if you don't know yoga and if you don't get to the situation that is required to be a yogi, you cannot do anything for society. तो समाज तो है, करना है, मगर पहले स्वयं अपने आप को समझना है. Defining yoga in the sadhana pada, the first sentence is tapas, swadhyaya, ishvara pranidhani, kriya yoga. This is the definition of Patanjali. And before that, yogas chitta vritti nirodha, stopping of all the disturbances and distractions of the mind, which prepares the ground for the practice of yoga. The asanas are essential. If you go through the Ashtanga yoga, first you start with yama niyamas. If one doesn't follow the yamas and niyamas, I don't want to spell it out, you must have learnt it in your yoga course, then you cannot expect to do the rest. So yama niyamas, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, samadhi, eva samyama. These are the 8 parts of yoga, Ashtanga yoga. So I am sure you have been taught and you will practice them, and when you become perfect, which means when you make people understand that the first step in yoga is to clear the distractions of the mind. The mind that is undistracted and quiet and tranquil is the runway to fly out into the higher realms of yogic experience, and also to make you an efficient person working in this world with compassion to others. This is the meaning of saying samaj ke liye. First swayam, phir samaj ke liye. So swadhyaya, understanding oneself, is very important. Swadhyaya means reading by yourself, learning by yourself. It also means understanding yourself. So if both these things go together, we can benefit society by spreading this practice of yoga all over the world. I am sure Bharat Yogavidya Kendra is well oriented towards doing this. Wish you all success. May the 10th International Yoga Day be of great use to yourself and to society. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.